recently spent a few days using the Indasa 7-speed sander and extractor on a few of our jobs. The sander's quite nice and light to use, not too much trouble. The extractor itself is small, compact, self-cleaning. There's a manual and automatic mode, fits in the van nicely. The pads we got supplied with were the Indasa ones, which stuck really well to the pad. When we're sanding, although the discs weren't the Abranet ones, which are coarse type, they were solid. The extractor dealt with the dust pretty well. I mean, it would be better if we used the Abranet discs, as you would expect, but no, at low speed it sanded really well without too much pressure. When the discs are used, they go red, which is quite handy, so you can see when they need changing. All in all, a very good little machine. We're really pleased.